Hi, my lovely viewers. Do you like to visit Flowers Heaven? Let's come with me. Today, I'm going to take you to the Flowers Paradise. The garden receives over 1 million visitors each year. It has been designed a natural historical site of Canada. It is spread over 22 hectares. You must visit this garden when you are in Victoria, British Columbia. It's indeed an amazing place. It's a wonderful walking experience for tourists and local alike. It's almost 3 hours walking too. There are a numerous variety of flowers. All of them are very well kept. Super organized place and staff are very friendly. Calming atmosphere, clean grounds and washroom. Plenty of benches to sit and enjoy the garden. There are also nice big gift shop, coffee shop, restaurants and area to relax. Huge car parking facilities including wheelchair accessible car park and entrance. It open daily. The admission price for the garden is adult 36, youth 18 and child 3 Canadian dollar including tax. One can also take 12-month passes, which will give the opportunity to unlimited visits for a year from the date of activation. The pass is mainly for the locals and it also gives 10% discount on all food purchase, in-store purchase and friends admission arriving in the same vehicle. $2 off for regular boat tour rate. 12-month passes rate is adult 63.65, youth 31.85, child $6. There are different type of gardens like sunken garden, rose garden, Japanese garden, Italian garden, Mediterranean garden, special features, etc. etc. I like Japanese garden the most. For the different season, they also add differently, such as summer, autumn, Christmas, winter, spring, and all are colorful and has different flavor. For entertainment, there is also electric boat tours, which is around 45 minutes tour. Greenhouse tour, ice skating, Christmas carols, etc. etc. This is the most beautiful garden I have ever seen. No photos or video can do real justice of this place. It's a must visit place. It's really worth it to spend time and money over here. Highly recommended. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel because YouTube love this. See you in a new video, new place. Till then, take care. Bye.